What's up, YouTube? We're gonna be installing new headlights on a 98 Jeep. We got new headlights. We got the bottom part of the headlight, and we got side markers. So let's get to it. There's two Phillips heads right here that you gotta take out. Just get a screwdriver in there, and then start twisting it. Then you got a drill. So you know how to step up the game. You gotta get a drill. You wanna put it in here. Take one out, go to the other side. And it should come out just like that. Don't lose the screws for this. Just wiggle it out. Put it on the side.
Okay.
Now we're looking here. And we got two more Phillips head up here. And one down here. There's two down here, but one's missing, so just put your drill in there. Take one out. Get the other one. Take the other one out. Remember to keep the screws somewhere safe. Now we got one more down here. We're gonna have to use a screwdriver for that one.
Okay.
Get yourself the screwdriver. Put your screwdriver in here.
Car just got washed, you know, so
Yep.
it's dripping wet a little bit. Okay.
Now, you want to safely put that down. Get this one. Put it on the floor. Oh yeah, we got water in there, man.
Fresh soap from the car wash. Okay.
Fresh soap from the car wash. It should pull out just like that. So all we gotta do is push this, and it should come out. Oh yeah.
Headlight removed.
Headlight removed. So you gotta get your metal bracket. You gotta put your metal bracket in here. And then you would wanna get the connections and connect these onto these, just like this. Once you do that, put your headlight in, you line up, fix the wiring. You can push that back a little bit, you know, no problem. And we're gonna get your screw and screw one in, and now let's test if the headlight works. All right, now just gonna go and start the car. Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Sweet mama.
Holy moly.
We got that brightness.
You got the brightness.
Oh, let's check high beams.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's check high beams real quick.
Like? Hold on now.
Oh yeah.
Shit, it's kind of bright.
All right, now we gotta put this other screw in. All right. Make sure it's snug. Now
Right
we gotta get the other nail. We just gotta unscrew this one. Just like that. Don't lose the screw now.
Don't lose the screw, man.
Hold on.
Less than one bottom.
Oh, we got one more down here. Just get this. Unscrew that. Put that down. Get this. So for these headlights, I'm pretty sure you turn it. Oh yeah, you turn it up. Then it comes out. It's a little dirty in there, so turn it to the right. All right. Now we got the bottom one. Oh yeah, way better. Got the plastic. Take that up. Take that up.
Okay.
Put it on the floor. You want to get your light. You want to twist it the opposite way of how you twisted it when you put it in. So, like that. Get the other light. Put it in. Yep. Now you're gonna line it and then put the screws back in. Alright. Now get the other one. And put that one in here. Now we're gonna get our plate back, the cover, put it in there, make sure everything aligns, get the bottom correct. Once you get everything ready, get your screws and screw back in. One side done. Alright, now we're gonna do the side light. It's just 2 Phillips head. Put it in. Take one out. Go to the bottom. Take that one out. Put your screws so we're safe. And remove it. It's the same thing, you know. Just twist it on one side and pull it out. So we got the blacked out. You already know. Got to pull the lip sticker out. And put this on there. No, wiggle it in. Find a safe spot. Yeah, putting this thing is a little difficult. You know, there's a plastic cover that makes it harder. But yeah, you just put it back in there now. Align the screw. You gotta align it with the bottom one too, you know. Do it slowly because you do not want to crack the light, you know. Okay, now get the bottom one. And then put it back in there. Slowly but surely, you know.
Let's put it to the test. Don't forget, safety is #1 priority. Now we got the first, looking beautiful. We got second.
Oh my goodness.
That's right. Now we got high beam.
Hold on now.